In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save OneNote to OneDrive. If you want your notes backed up online and accessible across devices, saving your OneNote notebook to OneDrive is a simple and very useful step. It helps make sure your content is stored in the cloud, so you can open it later from another computer, tablet, or phone, as long as you're signed into the same Microsoft account. To get started, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure the notebook you want to save is already open on your screen before moving on. This is important because OneNote will apply the sharing and cloud saving action to the notebook you currently have selected. If you have multiple notebooks open, take a second to confirm you're working with the correct one. Once your notebook is open, go to the top left area of the app and click File. This opens the main file menu where you can manage notebook settings and sharing options. If you're not used to working in this menu, don't worry. It's just the section where OneNote groups together the most important notebook actions. After that, click Share. The Share section is where OneNote gives you options to connect the notebook to OneDrive and make it available through your Microsoft account. In many cases, sharing the notebook through this menu is what moves it into cloud access, especially if the notebook was originally stored only on your local computer. Under the Share with People area, type your email address. Be sure to use the email associated with the Microsoft account you want to use for OneDrive. This step tells OneNote who should have access to the notebook, and by entering your own email, you're essentially assigning access to yourself through the cloud. Take a moment to double check the address before continuing, since using the wrong account could make it harder to find the notebook later. Finally, click Share. Once you do that, OneNote will begin saving or linking the notebook through OneDrive so it can sync online. Depending on your internet connection and the size of the notebook, this may take a moment. After it's done, your notebook should be available from OneDrive and ready to sync across your devices. As a quick tip, after sharing, give OneNote a little time to finish syncing before closing the app. That helps make sure your latest notes are fully uploaded. And that's it. You've successfully saved your OneNote notebook to OneDrive.